In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sync symbols across tabs and timeframes in Tradingview. First, make sure you are using a plan that supports multi-chart layouts. Tradingview requires a paid plan to place more than one chart on the screen at the same time. If you are good to go, look at the top toolbar and click the Select Layout button. Choose a layout with multiple panels, like 2 or 4 screens. This splits your workspace so each panel can display a chart. Think of each panel as its own chart window. Ready to follow along once we sync them. Next, find the Sync and Layout icon, usually located near the Layout button in the top toolbar. Click it to open the sync options. This is the control center for how your charts behave together. Now, check the box for symbol. This tells Tradingview that when you change the asset in one chart, whether by typing a ticker, selecting from a watch list, or loading a saved symbol, every chart in your layout should switch to that same symbol automatically. It's perfect for analyzing a single asset from multiple angles without retyping it in every panel. Then, check the box for interval. Interval is Tradingview's term for time frame. With interval synced, any change you make to the time frame on one chart, like moving from the 1 hour to the 15-minute, instantly applies to all charts in the layout. This is great when you want a unified view across identical time frames. If you also want the actual time window on your charts to stay aligned as you scroll back or forward in history. Select Date Range. Turning on Date Range means that when you pan or zoom on one chart, all other charts shift to the same visible period. This is especially useful when you are comparing how indicators or price structure line up across multiple panels. If you prefer each chart to keep its own zoom level while still sharing symbol and time frame, simply leave Date Range off. That's it. Thanks for watching.